Today I will show you how to do the upright teardrop split spinning on the pole. This is for the more advanced poler. The prerequisites would be that you need to have very solid grip with your hands and very strong ability to grip the pole with your hands. And then the other requirement would be that you have an oversplit, preferably a lot of hip flexor flexibility. So you should be able to put 2 blocks on your back leg in your split and get pretty flat. So I'll show you. I haven't 100% warmed up to my maximum, so we'll see how it goes. First, I will demonstrate. Okay, so that wasn't to my greatest ability, but you'll get the idea, and I'll be able to demonstrate. It also helps to have a little taller pole than this one. It helps to climb the pole once and then do your inside leg hang. You can do it from standing. It's just a little more difficult to get the full extension of your bottom leg from standing. Now, this is also very helpful to wear heels so that when you slide the bottom leg down, it'll slide more easily. I have the best success wearing heels doing this of any kind, boots, sandals, whatever, any kind. I've tried training it with socks. The socks are okay, but they do slip and they don't give you a whole lot of grip. I've tried using a half sock, and that's second best, but it still slides, and then it's too slippery to keep your grip of your bottom leg you're trying to extend. Okay, so I'll walk you through it. So we go to an inside leg hang and keep your chest upright. That is one key. So I'll go slowly and talk through it. So take a step, spin, inside leg hang, but then keep yourself right here. Do not move. Keep your chest up. Take your same arm as the leg that's hooked and take it around the pole on the outside of the leg. And then this leg that is hooked, bring it up and over that hand. Here's where you need that strength of your grip. And then look to your same shoulder as the leg that is hooked. So look over into the pole. So I'm looking to my right. Hook your bottom leg and extend. So that's another key here. You need a little bit of waist grip. But you'll see how the grip will become one of the most important things to help hold you up there. And then another important thing, like I mentioned, is when you have this leg that is up and your arm that is wrapped around the leg, like so, like this, you don't want to look away. You want to look into the pole, lean your entire body and your weight into the pole. And I like to look down to where my leg is hooking on the bottom. And then you can extend everything. And once you're able to, you can take the arm that's on top, reach it behind to get the full extension of the split. So we'll wipe the pole and then we'll give it another try so I can demonstrate better for you. Because the grip of the hands, this is one you definitely want a little bit of grip on your hands for, because the hand, especially the arm, you'll want your preferably your stronger arm for the arm that is gripped around the leg. You want this to be your stronger arm or your hand that has more grip to it. It might not be the same split side though, so try both sides and you might find which side works better for you. But you'll also want your more flexible split side potentially. I mean, when you're first learning it, if you don't have that full big oversplit or hip flexor flexibility, that's okay. You can just keep the bottom leg bent and then you don't have to totally extend it. All right, so I'll show you again. Try to get more height for you. Inside leg hang, grip around the leg in that little pocket of where your calf and your thigh are, in that pocket there. Bring the top leg over your arm, look to your inside shoulder, hook the bottom leg, slide it down, extend, and reach behind. I come out, I re-hook this inside leg for your inside leg hang, just re-hook it, and that way you can come back into an inside leg hang, and then you can take it into another pull move that starts from an inside leg hang, which is really nice. But on this one, for me, I can't even quite do it on my other side, because not only is my other side, my inside leg hang is not that great, but my left arm is just not quite as strong, and then also my left split is not as much of an over split as my right leg. So this entire time I've been doing it with my right strong arm and my right leg front split strong split. So when I've been demonstrating, that's what side I have been on. My other side, not so great. But like I said, your limiters you might just find are your grip strength or your splits. And I hope that helps you get some more tips and tricks for your upright teardrop.